Finally, a more efficient solution for drilling in close quarters. Introducing the 12-volt MAX Lithium-Ion Cordless 3/8-inch right-angle drill kit. The AD02W has the most compact angle head height in its category, which is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places. It's well-balanced and ultra-compact for increased productivity. The powerful Makita-built motor delivers 100 inch-pounds of max torque for a wide range of drilling and driving applications. The AD02W has an easy-to-operate paddle switch with variable speed control for increased versatility. It also features a built-in LED light with afterglow that illuminates the work area, and an ergonomically designed barrel grip, which is rubberized for increased operator comfort. The AD02W is powered by a 12-volt MAX lithium-ion battery and is part of Makita's expanding 12-volt MAX lineup.